Here's the seagulls. Here's Dave.
He's getting really excited. Be quiet, be very quiet.
David Adam. He approaches the seagulls slowly and quietly. He does not want to disturb them because there may be a nest.
What's his name, Seagull?
I don't know. He likes to photograph them. Shh, no sudden movements.
They're getting happy.
The seagulls are getting disturbed. Yes, it's just done a poo. That's right, people. The seagull did a poo. Be careful not to step there.
Oh, yuck.
The seagulls are disturbed by Dave's presence and start to walk around. They run away, as if to say, "Get off, that's my territory."